Hey everybody, what's going on? Here today I'll bring you the 2013 Ford Taurus Limited. It does come equipped with remote start, just make sure it's locked. And hit the button on top twice. Simple as that. It does come equipped with a smart key access system. Just put your key in your pocket. The vehicle's locked now, just hit the button. Locks it, then to unlock it, just grab the handle and it automatically unlocks. Pretty simple. It's got jet black interior, leather. It's also perforated. Wood grain trim. Also with the smart key access, you do get push button ignition. So put your foot on the brake, hit the button to go. Very nice. It's got a leather wrapped steering wheel, very smooth power steering, wood trim up above. Ford's 6-speed select shift automatic transmission for sport mode. And in sport mode you can shift the vehicle manually by the plus and minus. Once you put it in reverse, you do get a rear backup camera with guidance lines. Alright, just going to turn on the headlights. So it's the hazards. Both of the front runners are fully automatic. This comes standard with projector headlamps. Also with LED accent lighting. Sorry for the little bit of the dirt you see on the outside. The people have been mowing today. It does have rear parking assist. Chrome dual exhaust outlets. Ford's capless fuel flow system. Just insert the nozzle. This Taurus comes with a 3.5 liter V6 equipped with variable valve timing. Chrome door handles. Cup holders. Power outlet, as well as vents. Got some perforated delivery seats back here as well. It does have a large trunk. Perfect for everyday items. Cargo net. As well as emergency trunk release if you were to get trapped inside. Also, your rear backup camera is located under there. Vehicle's in fantastic shape. Your power windows, locks and mirrors. Fully powered driver's seat. 2-person memory. Power tilt to hook up the steering wheel. Have those power adjusting pedals. As far as the Myford touch system goes, Sopco 04 has a video on a 2013 Ford Taurus show, and he shows all the information throughout the system. And I'm going to go ahead and post the annotation in the video as well as in the description box, to where I'll take you to that video. You can see all the systems and whatnot to see how it works. Electronic climate control, their fan speed, max AC for circulation, as well as temperature adjustment, one touch automatic input, and your defrost. You also have a heated and ventilated seating. You also have ambient lighting. So, going through the different colors like blue, orange, red, green, purple, etc. Pretty neat. Cup holder. Ambient lighting also shows up here, as well as in here. AV input, USB, SD card, power outlet, storage, etc. You have a full power sunroof. Flip back the shade. This is for tilt and sliding. It's also, like I said, it's fully powered, or automatic I should say. Pretty neat. Always favor sunroof. Show you some of the different displays you can have. Use this to control the left one, and use this to control the right one. Just use the arrows. You have a digital tachometer. Fuel economy. You can hold OK to reset. Settings. My key system. And display. Compass, phone, entertainment. Pretty simple. Beautiful sounding V6. Alright, it's gonna shut it down. Well, everybody enjoyed the video on the 2013 Ford Taurus Limited. Comment, subscribe today.